make eyes. See, look here. You have to make eyes like this. Two circles you will draw. It's oval shape. Okay, oval shape you will draw, and you will make eyes like this. Now it's time for nose. Okay, अब हम nose बनाएंगे like this.